ngayon. Good morning!
Good morning, Japan!
Nasa mood si Mama magpa-video, oh. Oh, hi!
No, ayan ako, oh. Taray, may papusod. Ano ba yun? This is so weird, right? Book 19, Chapter 7, page 20.
Philippine Festival ngayon. Good morning!
Good morning, Japan!
Nasa mood si Mama magpa-video, oh. Oh,
Hi! Hello! Ano si Papa? My husbandry.
and patalan na binili ko sa kanya.
Goodbye, tiki-tiki. Ay, teka, pakainin muna natin. At kasama ko na si Sam na medyo late.
What?
Hi, Sam.
Hello.
Dito na kami, kaso sayang wala yung parang Brasil Festival 2019. Wala, medyo nagtipid sila ngayon. Tapos akala ko mas madami pa yung tao, pero parang hindi masyadong madami. Dito rin kami pumunta ng St. Patrick's Day. Every week merong iba't ibang festival na ginaganap dito. Hanap naman kami ng food.
There's also kebab. I think barbacoa is there.
Oh my God! Nasa yun pa may paniki. Oh, look at that, babe.
Yeah, that looks really cool.
God, sinong bibili nito? 500 daw. Andito na kami sa gusto niya. Barbacoa. Ito, sikat to eh. Meron silang hotdog, tapioca. Tapos dito, hanap ako ng mas konti lang yung tao. Pero pag mas konti, ano ba yun? Parang hindi masyado masarap. Ito, may mango na. Ano ba ang tawag dyan sa kakigori? Crushed ice? Parang ice crumble. Yuhu! Mga bikini. Ang colorful, no? Ayan ako, oh. Taray, may papusod. Tapos, may shorts, may sombrero. Ay, ang cute na itong mga bracelets. So, Sam got something. What's that?
Yeah, barbacoa.
Churrasco?
Yeah.
Yan. It smells okay.
Try this first.
My eyelashes.
Oh God.
Is it still there?
You got it.
Good?
This is better than I expected.
So
I
this
expect
is
this to be really good though.
this is 1,000 yen. Is it worth it?
Oh, we're gonna find out.
Really? That good? Dito ako bibili sa Ilha Branca kasi naalala ko dito ako bumili dati, tas ang sarap. At andito na siya, and you should try this one too.
Okay.
Yeah, so hey, come on up. Welcome to my Tokyo. Hey, up. Oh, sweet.
Dito naman kami sa Yoyogi Park. Nandito kami sa Galaxy. Tapos ayun nga, nagpicture kami. Kasama ang Iron Man. Tapos ito parang sound wall daw to. I don't know anything about Galaxy, pero parang uso yun sa Pinas, no? Ay, Oppo pala sa Pinas. Ewan ko, hindi ko na alam, di ako updated. Pero ang cool nitong place. Ang daming mga ganap-ganap. Yan. Ang cute na, no? Pink. Ang cute niya. Siya yung anak ng sikat na singer, actor dito sa Japan, si Kimura Takuya. Dati siyang member ng SMAP. Ayan yung anak niya. Dito kami sa Santa Monica Crepes. Ang weird nito. Ang weird. Ano like? This is so weird, right? Like sausages. Tuna pizza, cheese. Almost 9 years in Japan, and it's my first time to get Santa Monica Crepes. Sam doesn't want.
It looks like a lot. I'll try some of yours.
Oh, good thing I didn't get the cheesecake one.
Yeah.
How do I eat this?
I don't know.
Malalaman mo nasa Harajuku kapag makakita ka ng ganyang ka-colorful. Japanese lesson time!
Fast.
Hayay.
Hi. It's raining.
Baby, I love you, I love you, I love you. I have found the
Babe, do you have umbrella?
How do you say umbrella in Japanese?
Kasa.
There you go. There's your Japanese lesson time. How do you and how you say forget?
Wasureta.
And now combine those two.
Kasa wasureta. Okay, so
There's your Japanese lesson time for today.
yeah, so thank you so much.
And life lesson time.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.